Lambo 2 and I'm speeding. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't even know the meaning. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trending. Red cool, red fending. Break the law, don't bend it. Save your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
Know it's been a minute. It's time to go pick up the Cutlass. I'm excited. Oh yeah, we're in the Camaro today. You already know. Shit, OG. It's time to go pick up the cut, dog. I'm excited. Yes, sir. I had to come get her. I'm about to show y'all what it look like up under the hood. Big dog mechanic over there. It's about that time, baby.
Hold on, baby.
Sir. This thing gonna fall out when they see this shit.
Yes, he is.
Y'all just missed the police chase. The cameraman didn't get it.
Shut the fuck up.
But yeah, just got my Cutlass back. Like I said, 88 Cutlass. Got a 350 Rocket. Got the Edelbrock. Got the new intake. Got the get in there. Got the Edelbrock chrome valves. I'm excited, bro. We gonna fix all that. That look a little ghetto, but yeah, she running. I showed y'all a video of her running. I drove it up and down a little bit. I ain't gonna go crazy. I gotta get exhaust. But yeah, I'm excited. It's been a long time coming. Like I said, they said 2 weeks, but it would have been like a month and a half since the last video, so you know how I go. But yeah, she ready. Next I'm gonna get the exhaust done. I just got the original 14-inch chrome rally wheels for it. So I'm gonna show y'all those in another video. I put them on. But yeah, she look good. You can even tell like the height of it, like it ain't sitting on high no more because it got a motor in it now. Bigger motor on top of that. Top done, paint done. Got a lot of work to do, but hard part over is she's running now. I'm excited. Let's get it. Just got that thing loaded. You already know. We ain't going back to Charlotte this time. We're going to Monroe. It's gonna stay there for a little while. We're gonna go ahead and get the exhaust work done, like I said earlier. But yeah, have my dog Corey come scoop me, come scoop it. Had Corey come scoop Bay up. She ready. Got that thing loaded. I can't wait to get that exhaust put on it. See what she sound like. Feel like that 350 Rocket might do some work, do some numbers. You already know, but yeah, she loaded up. About to go drop off. Gonna call it a day. Start plotting on the next move. That's my dog right there.